I'd like for us to talk about that the Apple's now holding Charlie Brown and the Peanuts gang hostage.
Are you saying that you can only watch It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown on Apple TV now? What's Ness? Frosty the Snowman?
Watch
Damn
out.
you,
It might
Apple.
Previously on TWiT. All about Android.
Yes, this is the LG Wing, and we're going to do an unboxing.
Yeah, do we know if the swivel is something that it has to be powered on to do? Or Oh, okay, we have our answer.
There we
Swivels
go.
There it is.
at
There it
any
is.
time.
Swiveling.
Hands-on photography.
This is the week of Adobe Max 2020. We got some new updates to the world of Lightroom, as well as some updates to the world of Photoshop. Some pretty daggum slick AI. Oh my goodness, it's really good.
Tech News Weekly.
Mario Kart Live takes the familiar Mario Kart racing game that I love, that a lot of people love, and it turns it into an augmented reality experience.
You get to make your own tracks, you can do loops and just swirl around or do whatever you want to. As long as the carts, gates, and the arrows are in the right locations, everything works out really well.
This Week in Google.
See, starting today, you can hum, whistle, or sing a melody to Google to solve your earworm.
Michigan fight song?
It was all the single ladies.
Oh, I did
Yeah.
not.
Like, put your
You're right.
hands up.
You are tone deaf. I will
I'm so tone deaf.
actually grant you that now.
TWiT. All your favorite podcasts from the 80s, 90s, and today.